Hi friends, welcome to day 29 daily current affairs. Today first news is police issue notice to 40 former leaders. They breached the terms agreed upon for tractor rallies during Republic Day. The Delhi police on Thursday issued notice to 40 former leaders for violating the terms and conditions agreed upon for holding tractor rallies on Republic Day. The notice were served on Darshan Pal, Rakesh Tikat, Yogendra Yadav, Baldev, like this, so many people with for breaching the agreement with the Delhi police. They have been asked to submit the response within 3 days. This all happened due to the violence activities done on the Republic Day. Okay. Pressure rises on farmers to move out. After 2 months of protests without any significant pushback, the farmers' agitation outside Delhi is now seeing concerted pressure and intimidation from the police as well as local villagers and administrations. Okay. Next news. Vaccines are safe for those who are on blood thinners, ICMR. This is because safety checklist means fact sheets was given by Covaxin and Covishield developers last week that vaccine should not be used for the blood thinner persons. But now they are saying that the companies written to DCGA that regarding revision of the revision will happen very soon. Blood thinners are two categories: antiplatelets and anticoagulants. For those on antiplatelets like aspirin, the vaccine causes no problem. But for those on anticoagulants, the tendency to bleed is much higher. This is also a relative contraindication, and the anticoagulant can be stopped a day or two before administering the vaccine, Mr. Bhargava said. Okay. Next third is more made in India COVID-19 vaccines on the way, says PM. He was addressing World Economic Forum's Davos summit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said on Thursday that more made in India COVID-19 vaccines are on the way to help speed up the world's vaccination efforts, and India's economy would help global growth recover from the aftermath of the pandemic. So far, there are only two made in India vaccines available. In the coming days, many more vaccines are expected to arrive. This will help the world vaccinate more people in an expeditious way, said the Prime Minister at World Economic Forum virtual Davos summit. Okay. Next. Chief Justice Bobde recalls the first sitting of Supreme Court in 1950. 28 Jan 1950 is the first sitting of the Supreme Court. He recalled the situation yesterday. 71 years ago, the Supreme Court of India took its seat for the first time under a new constitution in the court chamber in Parliament House on Jan 28. This was recalled by Chief Justice of India, Bobde, remembered the occasion of the inaugural sitting of the court with Attorney General K.K. Venugopal and Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. Attorney General is K.K. Venugopal. Solicitor General is Tushar Mehta. Present. Okay. Next. US will rejoin deal if Iran is compliant. Secretary Antony Blinken asked Tehran to follow the terms of the nuclear accord completely. But Iran dismisses US call. Iran dismissed on Thursday a call by the US for it to return to full compliance of nuclear deal, first insisting that it had only taken remedial measures since America's withdrawal. Reality check for Sec Blinken. The US violated the JCPOA, Iran's foreign minister Mohammad Javad Zarif tweeted, referring to the accord by its partner named the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action. US said means it will be rejoined, but the Iran dismisses US call that we only done a remedial measures. The ranking of the COVID-19 performance was done by Australian think tank. The Australian think tank was Lowy Institute. So for that, India ranked 86, and in South Asia, Sri Lanka is the best performing nation. New Zealand and Vietnam were ranked the best performing countries in the response to pandemic according to the COVID-19 Performance Index put together by the Lowy Institute and Australian think tank, which sought to assess the impact of geography, political systems, and economic development in accessing outcomes. So India ranked 86 out of 98 countries, while the US stood at 94 and Brazil at the bottom of the index. Taiwan, Thailand and Cyprus were in the top 5. Sri Lanka was the best faring nation in the South Asia, ranking 10, while the Maldives 25, Pakistan 69, Nepal 70 and Bangladesh 84. Okay, next. Biden wants Beijing over expansionism. Biden is also not, it is looking like he is also not going to support the China regarding the issues of South China Sea. Within 1 week, Biden gave in a warning to Beijing over expansionism. He underscored support for allies. A week into the job, US President Joe Biden has sent a clear warning to the Beijing against any expansionist intentions in East and South China Sea. In multiple calls and statements, he and his top security officials have underscored support for allies Japan, South Korea, Taiwan, and Philippines, signaling Washington regions of China's disputed territorial claims in those areas. Next, this is a statement by IMF chief Geeta Gopinath. Plug gaps in GST to raise fiscal support. IMF's Gopinath wants tightening policy support in the middle of pandemic risk economic damage. Tightening of for the tightening of policy support will damage, she said. So many economists are saying that during the pandemic risk, the policy should not be the tightening, because the economic growth will be less due to the spending power of the public will be less. To increase the spending power of the public, you should infuse the money into the hands of the public so that economy will revive. India should propose a credible privatization plan for public sector firms, plug gaps in GST collections and cut wasteful expenditure from the budget in order to contain borrowing cuts while enhancing fiscal support for the economy, IMF chief Geeta Gopinath said on Thursday. Okay. This is last news for today. 3 states to divert more sugar for ethanol. Quantity higher than last season's, the Sugar Association was said. Major sugar producing states UP, Maharashtra and Karnataka are expected to see mills diverting a higher quantity of the commodity for ethanol production this season, October to September, compared to the previous year. This was released by Indian Sugar Mills Association, ISMA. Okay. This is Sudoku for today. Try it if your time permits and enhance your thinking power. Please, thanks for watching today Daily News and Current Affairs. We'll meet again in tomorrow Daily News and Current Affairs. Please comment, subscribe, share and like. Thank you.